What's up YouTube? Dylan here with Dylan's Home Espresso Bar, and today we're getting a little bigger with our items. So, without further ado, we are going to make a KitKat Mocha Latte Explosion! When we come back, roll the intro! What's up YouTube? Dylan here with Dylan's Home Espresso Bar, and yes, we are going to make ourselves another recipe. This recipe is going to call for a giant KitKat. They're actually individually packaged, but it looks giant. We are going to be using Hershey syrup. The next ingredient is going to be some mocha hot cocoa. And it is a coffee channel, so we're going to be mixing it in with some intelligentsia. And along with some frog milk for the latte. And to top it off with some cocoa pate. Let's get into making the ingredients. Woo! And some of you at home may be asking, or may not be asking, what is this for? I mean, this thing is huge. It's bigger than my head. Well, it's going to be a surprise at the end. And we're going to see how it works out. Only time will tell. Let's get to making KitKat Mocha Latte Explosion. Alright guys, so you just saw the KitKat Mocha Latte Explosion happen before your eyes. And I just want to show you how beautiful this works. You know, that was the surprise, by the way, is I was going to do latte art in this huge container. Oh, I almost dropped it on my head. Huge container. I mean, this thing weighs a ton. And it was definitely a little more difficult than I thought, but I was still able to make some kind of a heart. Let me just go ahead and show you guys. Look at that beautiful heart. Oh, yeah. All right, so that was definitely a treat, and it was definitely exciting, but I did say it was a KitKat Mocha Latte Explosion. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna add some chocolate to it, because you know you gotta get chocolate wasted here. So we're just going to powder some chocolate on there. And you know, it wouldn't be a KitKat Mocha Latte Explosion without adding some more Kit Kats on the top here. So let's just go ahead and add some Kit Kats to the top. You know, maybe even just stir that chocolate in just a bit. And we're just gonna go ahead and set these in there for a nice little treat. So I'm gonna give it a little taste test here. Oh, that's so good. Now I'm gonna have my wife come in here and give you guys a little taste test as well. This is actually for hers. I'm actually on a diet, so I can't drink this. This is about 3,000 calories. Not really, but I mean, there's a lot of calories in there. So go ahead and give them a taste try.
That's really good.
All right, there you have it. And you get a nice little delicious treat with the Kit Kats in there. Just throw them in there. You can throw as many as you want in there. There's no rules. There's no rules in the Dylan Lincoln's Home Espresso Bar. No way. All right, so I just want to thank you guys all for watching. This has been fantastic. It's been extremely fun. Definitely try this at home. And if you haven't already, why go for the boring latte art pour when you got these boring jugs, when you could go to Walmart and buy this big ceramic bowl and do some latte art. You gotta have a little forearm strength because this is a little heavy. However, it was definitely fun to use. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys can please hit that like and subscribe button, hit that notification so you never miss another video. This has been a great recipe. I would definitely make it again for her. I'm on a diet. So, I thank you guys so much for watching. I love each and every one of you. We're gonna make this a family channel. And like I always say, until next time, peace.